Hi, my name is Dieter J. Fabi, a third year environmental science here at Caraga State University, and I would like to share a bit about my skills and achievements that have shaped my journey as a student. I have developed strong skills in creating engaging and informative documents using Microsoft Word, Canva, and PowerPoint. These tools have allowed me to effectively communicate ideas, design visually appealing presentations, and organize information clearly and professionally. One of my proudest achievements is learning how to create maps using QGIS. With the guidance of our instructor, Sir Judan, here at Caraga State University, I was able to grasp the fundamentals of mapping and spatial analysis. This experience not only gave me a new technical skills but also opened my eyes to the real world applications of geospatial technology. These skills and experiences have contributed significantly to my growth as a student. They have helped me become more competent, confident, and prepared for the challenges ahead. I believe that every learning opportunity brings me one step closer to achieving my goals and making a meaningful impact in the future. Thank you.